Assalamu alaikum, class 7. Test paper number 4. Question number 1 is determine the area of a sphere whose parameter is 80 centimeter. So students, question number 1 is your homework part number 1 and 2. So in part number 1, the parameter of a sphere is given. You have to find the area of a sphere. And for the area of the sphere, as we know that the area of a sphere is equal to side multiplied by side. So first of all, we have to find the side of the sphere with the help of the parameter. You have to put the formula P is equals to 4L. Then you have to find the value of L, and then you have to find the area of the sphere. So part number 2, calculate which one has the larger area and how much a sphere of side 16 centimeter or a rectangle of dimensions 20 centimeter by 13 centimeter. So first of all, you have to find the sphere of the side, area of the sphere, and then you have to find the area of the rectangle. Then you see that which area is greater. So move to our question number 2. Determine the length of each side of a sphere whose area is 3 times the area of a rectangle whose dimensions are 4 meter and 3 meter respectively. So students, first of all, we have to find the area of the rectangle, then we have to find the area of sphere. So dimensions of rectangle is equals to 4 meter multiplied by 3 meter, and area of rectangle is equals to length multiplied by breadth. So 4 meter multiplied by 3 meter, that is equals to 4 is 12 meter square. And area of the sphere is given in the question is 3 times the area of rectangle, and area of rectangle is 12 meter square, that is equals to 36 meter square. So length of side of sphere is equals to a number is multiplied by itself and get the answer 36 is 6. So when we have to multiply 6 with itself 6, then it is the area, and this is equals to 36 meter square. So as we know that length of side of sphere is equals to length multiplied by length, so L and L will be same. So 36 is 6 multiplied by 6, so 6 meter is the length of side of sphere. Question number 3. A garden is 40 meter by 30 meter. A path 3 meter wide is made outside it all along its border. Find the area of the path. Student, question number 3 is your homework, and it is as same as the question number 10 of division mensuration. So you have to do it yourself. Question number 4. Find the area of an isosceles triangle if one of its equal side is 5 centimeter and the third side is 8 centimeter. The isosceles triangle is that triangle in which two sides are equal and the third side is changed. So this is an isosceles triangle. We have to find the area of this triangle. So this side is 5 centimeter and the other side is also 5 centimeter and the base is 8 centimeter. First of all, we have to find the area of this triangle, then area of this triangle, then we have to add them to find the area of the whole triangle. So first of all, we have to find the altitude of the triangle, because as we know that the area of triangle is 1/2 base into height. So this whole base is equals to 8 centimeters. So D is the midpoint of this triangle. D is the midpoint of this base. So BD is equals to DC, that is equals to 4 centimeter. So first of all, we have to find the altitude of the triangle. For right angle triangle ADB, by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus altitude square. So 5 centimeter whole square is equals to 4 centimeter square plus AD whole square. 5 square is equals to 25 centimeter squares. 4 centimeter square is equals to 16 centimeter square plus AD whole square. 25 minus 16, that is equals to 9 centimeter square, is equals to AD whole square. We have to find the value of simple AD. Now so we have to find the square root on both sides. So 3 centimeter is equals to AD. That is the altitude of the triangle. Now area of triangle ADB is equals to 1/2 base into height. 1/2 base is 4 centimeter and height is 3 centimeter. That is equals to 6 centimeter square. Similarly, this is an isosceles triangle, so area of the ADC is also equal to 6 centimeter square. So area of the whole triangle is equal to area of ADB plus area of triangle ADC. So 6 centimeter square plus 6 centimeter square, that is equal to 12 centimeter square, is the area of the isosceles triangle ABC. Question number 5. ABCD is the given figure is a square of side 16 centimeter. E and F are the midpoints of the sides BC and CD respectively. Determine the area of the shaded portion. So student, in this question, the area of square we have to find when the length is given. Length is 16 centimeter, so area of the square is 16 centimeter multiplied by 16 centimeter. Then we have to find the area of this triangle, then area of this triangle, then we have to add these both areas, and then we have to subtract them this from the area of square. So the given given answer is the area of this shaded part. So first of all, this whole length is 16 centimeter. and F is the midpoint. So DF is equals to FC and CE is equals to EB. So this length is 8 centimeter, this length is 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 8 centimeter. First of all, we have to find the area of the square. Length of side of square is 16 centimeters. So area of square is equals to 256 centimeter square with the help of formula length multiplied by length. Since F is the midpoint of DC, so DF is equals to FC is equals to 8 centimeter and E is the midpoint of CB, so CE is equals to EB is equals to 8 centimeter. Now we have to find the area of triangle ADF. So its height is 16 centimeter and base is 8 centimeter. So 1/2 base into height is the formula of triangle, area of the triangle. So area of triangle ADF is equals to 1/2 base into height, 1/2 multiplied by 8 centimeter multiplied by 16 centimeter. After cutting we get the answer 64 centimeter square. Now we have to find the area of triangle AECF. Triangle ECF, its base is 8 centimeter and its height is also 8 centimeter. So 1/2 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 8. So 2 1 the 2, 2 4 the 8, and after multiplication we get the answer 32 centimeter square is the area of triangle ECF. Now student, we have to find the area of unshaded portion, that is equals to the area of first triangle plus the area of the second triangle. So the answer is 96 centimeter square, and now we have to subtract this area from the area of the square. So area of shaded portion, that is equals to area of the square 256 centimeter square minus the area of unshaded portion, that is equals to 96 centimeter square, and we get the answer 160 centimeter square is the area of this shaded part.